In this video, I will be showing you how to install an additional RAM into your Dell XPS 15. In order to do this, you need small screwdriver, Torx, small pry tool, and of course the RAM. There are 10 screws in the back of the laptop. We start by unscrewing them first. When all the screws are loose, we can now pry open the back of the laptop. There are 2 RAM slots on this computer, and as you can see, there's 1 slot available for upgrade. We have to unpack the new RAM out of the box. Now we can insert the new RAM into the slot, making sure that it goes exactly how the old RAM is installed.